pushes the ball down the ramp, which hits the foosball. The foosballs, step 2. The foosball goes on the drumsticks and goes up the ramp. Step 3. The foosball goes through the tube. Step 4. The foosball hits this, which goes off balance, which hits that, which falls. Step 5. It hits the books. The books go all the way. Step 6. This book hits the dumbbell. Step 7. The dumbbell falls. Step 8. It flushes the toilet.